In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning comic book effect using CapCut. This technique is a fantastic way to add a unique flair and visual interest to your video projects. Now, let's dive right into the steps and transform your footage into an eye-catching comic masterpiece. The first thing we're going to do is navigate to the Effects menu. CapCut offers a variety of effects, but for this particular project, we're interested in finding the comic effect. Once you open the Effects menu, use the search bar to type in comic. There you'll find a few different options to choose from, each offering its own distinct level of charm and visual punch. After you've searched for and located the comic effects, it's time to choose one that best suits the style and mood you're aiming to convey. CapCut provides 3 versions: Comic A, B, and C. Each of these options presents a slightly different artistic interpretation, so take a moment to consider the vibe you're going for. If your video demands a more classic comic book look, one effect may suit that better, whereas another might enhance a more modern or edgy style. Test them out to find your perfect match. Once you've decided, simply drag the chosen effect onto your video clip in the timeline. This step is both easy and crucial, as it instantly transforms your footage into something that looks like it was directly lifted from the pages of a comic book. After applying the effect, don't forget to preview your clip. Watching it back allows you to see the transformation in action and ensure it aligns with your creative vision. To truly complete this comic book aesthetic, you'll want to incorporate text bubbles or comic-style captions. This final touch adds authenticity, making your video look like a professional and polished piece of artwork. Using text properly can enhance the storyline or even provide additional context to what viewers are seeing, engaging them more deeply. Be sure to experiment with placement, font style, and size to maintain readability and assure it complements the visuals of your video. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully turned your video into a fun and dynamic comic-style piece using CapCut. Whether you're crafting content for social media, creating a short film, or just playing around with video editing, this comic effect is sure to captivate your audience and breathe fresh life into your visuals. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy experimenting with these effects as much as I do.